Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to create a COGO curve from two tangent lines in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click MSCOGO. Move down a little bit and then click Curve on Two Tangents. Now all we have to do is select two lines. MSCAD will automatically calculate a curve with endpoints tangent to each line. All that's left to do is to define the radius of this arc and then hit Enter. As you can see, this arc is very far away from the lines themselves. I made the radius too small, but if I extend the lines to reach the arc, you can see plainly that the arc is tangent to each. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.